making a head wave covering with it. This is funny. You did do it. Yes. You're doing that. Are you driving?
Can you turn it off?
Look, Peppa Pig's behind you. Oliver. Peppa Pig's behind you. It's finished. Say bye-bye. Going to mother care, and this is how Oliver has to sit on my shoulders because he won't walk. You don't want to hold it? You sure?
I want gingerbread drink.
Gingerbread drink?
Yeah, and I want gingerbread body too.
To you.
Yeah.
Sriracha chicken wrap. Is that how you say it? I'm going to butcher this name, dude. Sriracha chicken wrap. Hi, do you have any of the Thai-inspired sriracha chicken wraps?
Let me just have a look for you. Yeah, was it heated up?
Yeah, and can I also get, do you have like a gingerbread man or sort of a gingerbread cookie?
We have gingerbread snaps.
Yeah.
Some of those.
Yeah. Can I get a chocolate cream frappuccino?
What size would you like?
Can I get that as a small?
Chocolate cream frappuccino.
Yep, and can I also get one of the chocolate filled muffins?
And then chocolate muffins. That can be your order.
That's it, thank you.
Okay, take the window.
Thanks. Oh, I can just feel the calories. But I don't count calories, so who cares?
You can't see me on that time.
You can't see you? Put your arm up. There you go. Can you see you?
Let's see.
Does Mummy's eyebrows look really dark? Yeah. Oh, look.
The window got
She's-
shut down.
But she's going to move now. I've done my window up. And I thought my odor was bad. Thank you. Just quickly check this in here. Thank you. Look all of that.
Thank you. And I want gingerbread drink.
Yeah, you gonna have some?
There's your chocolate muffin.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Black
Your
colour.
chocolate cream.
Can I ask, do you also have like a fruit shoot or a can or something?
Yeah, we usually we have like a kids smoothie carton, but we're out of them today.
Ah,
We've got
okay.
things like orange juice, apple juice.
Can you hear that weird car noise? Yes, my car makes. There it is.
Yeah,
Vauxhall Zafiras.
thank you, Mum.
Thank you.
I
Vauxhall.
want my gingerbread
Ah.
chocolate.
Okay, just a second. Let me get around this corner.
I want my body.
Vauxhall Zafiras EcoFleck engine. They have this weird turkey noise. Why does it make that weird turkey noise? It goes woo, 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 like that. I was speaking to the guys in Vauxhall and they told me that they tried to actually fix that. There you go. They tried to fix the fault. Like, it's kind of like just a design flaw. They tried to kind of see if they could make the noise stop by changing some sort of filter or something. It's to do with the fuel system, but they've never been able to stop it making that noise. They have no idea why it makes that noise, and they all seem to do it. It's not just my car. They all seem to make this weird noise. And it does it more when it's cold, I find. So you can tell it's something to do with the, I don't know, like the fuel temperature or something. Macy Moo, did you drop your dum-dum? We are going to go to next. Do you want to go next?
I want the showers.
You want to go Auntie Sharon's?
Yeah.
Oh, we haven't got enough time to do that now because it's 1:10 now, and we've got to pick up Bradley and Josh at 3. So her house is too out the way.
Yeah.
By the time we get there, we'd only have like an hour. So we'll do that next week.
Yeah.
Yeah? Is that a good cookie?
It's lovely. I love gingerbread
Do
man.
you?
Yeah.
Oh. Uh-oh, Macy's cross. What are you doing, Baba?
Yeah.
Macy looking at me.
Yeah.
But this freaking eye is gonna take as soon as I stretch around here, don't we? There you go. Oh wow, that never happens. You got your dum dum. The freaking hat's got over her eyes as well. There you go. That's better. We can see you. Oh Jesus.
Oh my goodness.
Huh?
Let's go my two in it.
You got two?
No, my oven.
I'm so glad there's not Starbucks near where I live because it would be really bad. Wouldn't it, Oliver? Bradley and Josh like it too, don't they? They like the whole cup thing. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
I love you. Love you, Oliver. Huh? That looks yummy. Look at him holding his hand all fancy and stuff.
What Karen?
Yeah, Auntie Karen drove all the way home from Skegness.
Is she?
Yeah.
And you got longer.
Yeah.
It's Karen in a new car.
No, she's not got a new car. And it's a Ford. You gotta love Fords. Fords rule. Vauxhalls are pants. Vauxhalls are pants. Aren't they, Oliver? Vauxhalls are rubbish cars, aren't they? Oh. This is the only Vauxhall I've ever owned, and it probably will be the only Vauxhall I ever own. I've had so many issues with this car. Like, right now, it's running lovely, but because I had an incident where it did break down on me, now I've kind of lost my faith in it, and I always think it's going to break down. Even, like, diesels, like, when it's cold, they get all, like, chuggy. Like, that's what diesels do. It's a common flaw in diesel engines, right? So they get a little bit chuggy and stuff. Like, even petrol engines sometimes do it. Anyway, so obviously when it's cold it sounds a little bit like, or if I don't drive it for a couple of days it does it. It sounds just a little bit rough. But because I broke down in it once, every time it gets like that I think, oh my god, I'm going to break down. This is the first car I've ever owned that I've actually put breakdown cover on. When it's kind of good that I did put breakdown cover on because my Montero actually did also break down. The clutch went on it when my husband was driving it, and I'm so grateful that he was driving it because I would have just panicked and been like, I don't know what I'm doing.
I'll come too.
You want to come too? I'm not going to just leave you in the car, am I? Of course you're coming too, Wally. Of course I'm taking Oliver too. Oh, you jerk. I was going to get that space. Damn it. I need that space as well. We're gonna go to this spot here. We're gonna go this one here.
Karen's got a big car.
Big car?
Karen's got a big car.
Karen's got a big car.
Yeah.
So we've been to Next and we went in for pretty much one thing. They've got a sale starting tomorrow, but she assured me that all the stuff that's still out on the floor at the moment is not going into the sale, because all the stuff that is going into the sale they've already moved out the back and then they're going to put it all out front in the morning. But I mainly went in there for some tights for Macy because you can only get them in like packs of 3, so I paid like £9 for 3 tights, but it's only one pair that I really, really want. Although the pink ones are cute too, and the flower ones. They're all 3 are really cute, but if I could just buy that one pair,